baseball team. We cheer the Pittsburgh Steelers.
Welcome to Picksburgh. This is Anthony. I wanted to do a quick just recording of this. I ended up ordering a Ring doorbell. As you guys know, during this quarantine time, I did set up pickups for my house. So I got this Ring doorbell and I hooked it up, and I can't wait to show you how awesome this thing is. It's really cool. All right, guys, so here's the actual doorbell right there. And I have it set, it's motion detected. So I have it set to only detect humans. So if there's like a raccoon or something run up on my porch, it's not going to be a problem. So it's set to only detect humans. Plus, as you can see, I'm pretty close to the street from where I am. So it's set to only detect humans. I get a notification to my phone the minute it detects a human being. Like when my wife leaves for work or when she comes home, I get a notification the minute she pulls up. So it's super cool. Let me show you this thing. There it is, guys. I installed this bad boy myself. I think I did a pretty good job on it. I have it right next to my mailbox because I'll stack all of my orders right here for the USPS worker. So it's pretty awesome. I'll try to get you actual video footage from the Ring of me out here. All right, guys, so let me show you guys the history, and this was just me outside. Look, there I am showing you guys the doorbell and vlogging. And here I am realizing that I locked the door. Look at me, guys. I just realized I locked myself out the house. Then I went out back and realized I had my dogs out, so I was able to get in the back door, thank God. But yeah, that's me acting a fool, trying to get back in the house. Then I will show you, this should be when we first left the house. Oh no, that's Ashley this morning leaving the house. That's her going to work. Bye, bae. Have a good day. Hope you enjoy work. Make that money for me, honey. Then, let's see, this might be her coming home yesterday. Yep. That's her coming home last night. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool, guys. All right, guys, so I just kind of want to go over this Ring doorbell and the specs. Basically, like it says here, is you can answer the door from anywhere, watch over your home in crystal clear 1080p HD video, and see, hear, speak to visitors anywhere with instant mobile alerts and two-way talk. You can answer the door from your smartphone, tablet, and PC. So there is a configurable motion detection here. I have mine set to only alert me to human beings, but you can get real intricate with it. You know, like you can get cars driving by your house, you can get animals, like all kinds of different movement and stuff like that, but I have mine set to just human beings. There is infrared night vision, which is pretty cool. You guys saw the video of Ashley coming home last night, which that was the night vision. There is a snapshot capture, so there's a feature where you can actually share with your neighbors like crimes, like any kind of suspicious people, anything like that, so you can take snapshots of that. But you can talk with people, like for example, like if the mailman's there and he has questions, you guys can talk back and forth. I actually just had an issue with the mailman today, believe it or not. The very first day that I had this thing up and running, he told my Ring doorbell that he couldn't take my mail today. So I actually have to go up there and bring it back inside and put it back out on Monday, which sucks. So I don't know what's up with that. I did have a pickup scheduled, so I'll have to double check with that. This is a Wi-Fi device, so it will connect to your Wi-Fi. like it said before, 1080p HD video, so really good quality video in case of, you know, some kind of robbery or somebody doing some kind of shady stuff. You should be able to see them pretty well, as you saw with this sample videos that I've shared with you guys. This is weather resistant, so if it's storming really bad, that shouldn't make too much of a difference. And it does have a quick release rechargeable battery pack, and it's USB charged. So I did charge it on my computer whenever I first did it. So here's basically the story of Ring. Basically, if you want to pause and read that, you can. So here's a glimpse at the one that I actually bought. This is the Video Doorbell 2, the wire-free edition. There are 2 different faceplates. I just went with what you're seeing right there. And it works on any home, and it was quick and easy self-install. And that just goes to prove that it is quick and easy if I was able to do it myself, being super unhandy. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you think about this. I highly suggest this product. I'm not like sponsored or anything like that, but as a reseller who puts out dozens of packages a day, I like to make sure that my home and those packages are safe from porch pirates. So I highly suggest grabbing one of these guys if you haven't already. Guys, that was my review on the Ring doorbell. Let me know what you think about it. Leave comments down below. If you're a reseller and you have this, let me know how you like it. If you don't have it and you've had problems with porch pirates or something like that, leave that down below too. I do live in a hood-like neighborhood, so I try to make sure that I'm covered in the event of theft. So guys, I appreciate you watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Till next time, take it easy.